regards the 2023 governorship appeals. What more updates do you have for us?
Well, Nifemi, tomorrow the Supreme Court will deliver judgment in 5 appeals that it had reserved judgment. We have Taraba, Nasarawa, Rivers. We also have Ogun. And today the court also said that it will deliver judgments in the appeal from Gombe State, although today it dismissed the appeal filed by the ADC and its candidate because their grounds was on qualification. They had alleged that the deputy governor was not qualified to have contested the election, and the court has said repeatedly that that is an internal affair of a political party, and no other political party has the right to interfere with those issues. And if it's an forgery, it's a criminal allegation that pleadings will have to be taken. And this was not done. So it was in that light that the court advised the candidate of the ADC to withdraw his appeal, which he did. And the court subsequently dismissed it. And also the court took that of Kaduna State today. But we know that of Kaduna State and Gombe State are concurrent decisions of the trial courts, of the lower courts. The tribunal affirmed the election of the governor from Kaduna State. So also did the Court of Appeal. Same goes for Gombe State. They are also concurrent decisions. And the Supreme Court has said that it will be difficult for it to overturn concurrent findings of lower courts. Not that it's impossible, but the appellant needs to bring facts before the court to show that the 2 lower courts are wrong in their findings for the court to overturn the judgment. So these are the issues before the court. So tomorrow we hope that the court will deliver judgment because most of these appeals will lapse on the 21st and 22nd of January.
We're expecting judgment on the case in Rivers, Lagos, Taraba, and which other states tomorrow? Celestina.
Nasarawa.
We're also hearing that the federal government has again amended its charges against the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria from 6 to 20 and is now allowed to leave Abuja but not the country. What more do you have for us on that particular case?
Well, exactly, Nifemi. The federal government amended their charge, which they are allowed to do by law. They can amend it as many times as they want. But looking at the face of the amended charge, we could see in the face of the charge that the recommendation made by, Jim Obaze, the investigator that was assigned by the president to look into the affairs of the CBN during the time where Godwin Emefiele was governor. There is a particular amount that kept repeating itself, about $6 million that the governor obtained under false pretense. And there's also an allegation or charge of conspiracy to commit felony. So these issues was presented at the reports by Jim Obaze, and is also in the charge. So it goes to show that that report is being acted on, hence the new amended charge by the federal government. As to his variation of his bill that now allows him to travel outside Abuja, the court has at first restricted him to the FCT, but now he can travel outside Abuja, but not to leave the country.
Celestina, Iria live for us in our Abuja studio.